Inside of the pages folder, create a new file, call it upload.php. Inside of the upload.php, we require one's header and require one's footer. We give it some heading, h1, upload new image. Then we are going to create a form with the action set to blank. Method will be post. Then we have ID form upload, and enc type set to multipart / form hyphen data. I'm going to close the browser on the left. Now we have a table with a cell padding set to null, cell spacing set to null, border set to null, and class assigned to it tbl insert. Inside of the table, we start with the tr. First one will have th with the label for caption, and in between an opening and closing label tags, caption, colon, and a star to indicate that it's a mandatory field. Then we have td. Inside of the td, we start with the input tag. Type will be text. Name will be caption. ID will be caption as well. Then we have class FLD. Then continuing, we have value, and we check if, and we're going to open a PHP tag and then echo. We check first if isn't empty. Post caption. Then strip slashes, and we're going to use our post caption. So form has been submitted. There was a value inside of the caption field. Strip slashes of this value and simply display it inside of our input field. Then otherwise we want to display nothing, so null. That's our value. And then we have size, which we want to set to 30. And we can close our tag. Okay, now that we have this one, we can create another table row. I'm going to scroll up a little bit. tr, again, th with the label for, this time it's going to be file, or image rather. It's going to be image, colon, and a star as well. Okay, then we have td. Inside of td we have input, type, file, name, image, id, image, and size we're going to make it 20. Then / and closing input tag. Under this, what we're going to do is we'll include the image img src for source and / images loading.gif. Then we have alt for this image, which will be loading. Class which we'll assign will be loader. Width will be 133 pixels and height is 20 pixels. Then we can close the image tag. Now image tag, this image, why are we using this image tag? Image tag will appear when we hit submit, so it will replace the input field. As you saw most probably in the introduction video, when we were uploading the field, you had this progressive animated GIF which replaced the input field, showing that there's something happening. Don't obviously do anything else. So we're going to use it. At the moment, it's invisible because the class loader, when you go to the CSS file, has display none set to it. So obviously, this image isn't visible until we trigger the visibility of it and hide the input tag which precedes it. Now you can use any other image you want, but if obviously you follow this tutorial, this image is already inside of the images folder, and it's called obviously loading.gif. So you don't have to search for an image if you don't want to. Okay, after this field, we have another TR with our submit button, so TH with non-breakable space. Then we have TD with the input. Type will be submit. We apply the class of button and button green. Value will be submit. And then close your input tag. So that's everything for the time being. If we save the file, go to our browser, now click on upload new image, you can see our form is now ready to work on. So in the next video, we're going to start adding some PHP code to it.